guys, how are you today? I'm still sick, but I have lots of Chanel products to open it with you. No makeup. I applied only my usual lip glow oil from DIOR. I will write it down for you in my description box down below. Let's go ahead and open the Chanel stuff. I'm very excited. Bought only one of this Ombre loose eyeshadow. I bought 412 Bois d'Amarante. This very nice package. It's very heavy too. I think it's glass. Here Chanel, and here is 412. And this is the application. It's very small. It's like that. Not the color. And then, oh, this is so soft. I like the color. This is only one swipe, guys. But very soft. Wow, guys. I think I will buy the rest of them. Yeah, this is beautiful. Make a little bit mess, but it's fine. I can handle with that. And actually exactly like what is there. See? Yeah. I bought Parure Vénitienne, Parure Impériale, Parure Crystal. The Baroque one is coming. This is the three I have now. Let's start. 308 Parure Impériale. Normal, standard Chanel pouch. Gold CC logo. It's beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful. Can't wait to make a makeup tutorial. Yeah, this is beautiful. And then 318 Parure Vénitienne box. This time Chanel tried to please everyone. Everyone. Neutral, warm, cool. Actually, they did a great job. This one is pretty too. And then the last one, but not definitely not the least, Parure Crystal. Very natural, beautiful. Yeah, definitely doesn't want to upset anyone. Please, if you like my video, please give me a huge thumb up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love you to join us. Bye!